scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding all asymptotes for this exponential function is actually super fast if you follow these 3 simple steps. Let's solve this problem together right now. First, look for vertical asymptotes by setting the denominator equal to 0. Solving 1 minus e to the 2x equals 0 gives x equals 0, so we have 1 vertical asymptotes. Next, find horizontal asymptotes by checking limits at infinity. As x goes to negative infinity, the function approaches 0, giving us our first horizontal asymptote. That is a great fart here. As x approaches positive infinity, the terms dominate for a limit of -1. With 2 horizontal asymptotes, option C is correct. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch your signs and avoid rushing. Always trust the given and check your steps.